quickly showing you how you can add chapters to your YouTube video. So to quickly do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your YouTube Creator Studio. And once you're in your Creator Studio, from here on out, what you're going to do is you're going to choose any video that you want to go ahead and, add chapters to. So let's say I'm going to click on this one. And once you click on this video, okay, what's going to happen is you're going to find the section where it's going to tell you or give you chapters. So you're going to go over to the editor, and once you go over to the editor, click on that. And once you do that, obviously you can go and choose the subtitle cards and all that, or more easily, so just go to details. Once you go to details, in the description you're going to start adding timestamps. So let's say I'm going to write intro, and let's add an intro timestamp. There we go. And then we're gonna add middle. So let's say you're gonna add that, and you're gonna click on save. Okay, now once you click on save and all that is done, obviously it's gonna automatically add those timestamps for you. So if you were to go and view this video on YouTube for yourself, let's see how it looks. You're gonna come down and look at that. You have proper timestamps, and even in the video, look at that, you're gonna have proper chapters and timestamps. And yeah, so that's basically about it. If you enjoy watching, thank you. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.